Veggie-Packed, a journey into healthy eating. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and healthy phrase in English, veggie-packed. This term is not just about food. It's a gateway into a healthier lifestyle. So, let's dive in and unpack what veggie-packed truly means. The term veggie-packed is made up of two parts: veggie, short for vegetables, and packed, meaning full of or loaded with. When we say something is veggie-packed, we are essentially saying that it contains a large quantity of vegetables. It's a phrase often used to describe meals, dishes, or products that are rich in vegetables. Veggie-packed is not just a nutritional term, it's part of everyday language. You might hear it in restaurants, grocery stores, or in casual conversation. For example, a soup described as veggie-packed is expected to have a generous amount of vegetables. It's a great phrase to use when talking about healthy eating or dietary choices. Let's visualize this concept. Imagine a sandwich that's overflowing with greens, peppers, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Or think of a stir-fry dish where colorful vegetables are the star ingredients. These are perfect examples of veggie-packed meals. It's all about abundance and variety of vegetables. Eating veggie-packed foods is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for health. Vegetables are full of nutrients, vitamins, and fiber. They can help in weight management, improve digestion, and reduce the risk of many diseases. It's a term that champions a healthy lifestyle. So, there you have it, veggie-packed is more than just a phrase. It's a representation of a healthy, vegetable-rich diet. I hope this video helps you understand and use the term confidently in your daily life. Eat healthily, stay happy, and keep learning. See you in the next video.